I'm in a lovely little place. It's called Hambleden. Go for a walk, stretch my legs, so it's nice to see the English countryside. So I've just paid. Pay and display, Hambleden, and go for a, I don't know how far this walk's going to be. Okay, 8 miles. So it's an 8-mile walk. Try and make it a loop. If you really enjoy the videos that I produce, show me your appreciation by hitting the subscription button. Subscribing is free, doesn't cost anything. So if you like what I do and you appreciate it, show me your appreciation. Hit the subscribe button. See as much as we can see in the Hambleden, Buckinghamshire area. That's lovely, isn't it? Hambleden. Very nice. And they'll open up this end. The water will start to seep down, and then they'll open this gate. Water life. Henley Bridge. Come up here. Right there, beautiful. Hang out in there. That's where people are hanging out. There's the water. This is beautiful. This is what we're talking about. Can't beat it. So, we've just come from up there, way in the distance. We've come all the way around, just come down through there. Now we're making our way down towards the gate. Let's see what's down. Shin, meaning good on the legs. Now we've got to get up at one of these. You go one, up, over, and down. Ashton, little village of Ashton. come down here and you can launch your boat. They call this a kissing gate. Kissing gate, because one kisses that one, you push it across, and it kisses that one.
Oh. Just have a little thing like that, you'd be alright.
So, that was a great walk. I'm on my way back to Hambleden Lock, so I've done the loop. It's about 8 miles.
Yep.
8-mile loop. And now I'm making my way back. So we set off. We went way out there in the distance, all the way to Henley, and then back up over the top, all the way over them hills, and making my way back now. So that was a great day. Here it says, welcome back to Hambleden Lock. Nice walk, 8 miles, not too strenuous, but nice. But yeah, let's have a look. So we're back. Yeah. So now it's time to, the day's entertainment is finished. It's been a great day. So we come to the end and back to where it all started from.